Once you have an accepted proposal from the customer, you're going to want to move it forward in the process and assign work orders and material orders to get the job started. Simply go into the Jobs Set tab, find the job, go into your Documents section. Here you're going to see it's marked as an accepted proposal because the customer has signed off on it. When we go into that proposal, you're going to see a list of all the line items that the customer's agreed to. You're going to see the customer's signature captured at the bottom. Now none of these line items have been assigned yet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go through and decide who you want to install these items or what supplier you want to order them from. As I was assigning them, the system will only let me order materials from approved material suppliers and will only let me assign labor to my approved labor contractors. Once we've selected all the items, let's say I want to split a line item and order from two different suppliers. Or for example, let's say I've got leftover shingles at my shop I want to use up on this job. Instead of ordering 84, I can go and split the item. I'm going to split it twice, but I can split it up to 84 times. And I'm going to say I've got 10 leftover shingles at my shop, and I'm going to order the other 74 from the supplier. If for some reason my math is wrong, I'm going to get an error telling me that I have a quantity mismatch. It's now changed my supplier order to 74, and it's added a new line item at the bottom asking me for 10 more shingles, and I'm going to assign it to our shop. At the bottom, we had a different tier that was for eavesdropping. Since it's going to be a different crew, I'm going to assign it to them. Now that I've got all my work orders and my material orders assigned, I'm ready to lock this and create my work orders and material orders. Once I've created my orders, you'll see it's going to lock my proposal, telling me that I can't edit it because I've already got orders attached to it. I've created two work orders, one for my exterior aluminum supplier to do the eavesdropping, and the other for my roofing crew. I've also got two material orders, one for my shingle supplier, and because I had leftover shingles from my shop, I also put in an order of shingles just to pull out of our own stock. When I created these work orders, I sent it to two different crews. The first crew, my aluminum crew, is an in-house crew that does not get a subcontract price. So you're going to see that their work order does not have the line item pricing attached to it. However, my roofing crew is a subcontractor, so when we view their work order, you're going to see that they have all their individual line item pricing attached, and they're going to see exactly how much they're going to make at the end of the job based on a subcontractor price. For my supplier orders, this is going to be my order going to my shingle supplier. Once I'm ready to send it, I can add any notes, select a date for delivery, add any photos if I want to show them where they're going to be delivering to or anything else. And once I'm confident it's ready to go, I'm just going to send it to the supplier. Here, the supplier is going to get an email where they can now view the order. Here it's going to give them a list of all their items and exactly what we're expecting to be getting. They'll be able to check their stock and if there's any issues, let us know right away with the request changes button. Otherwise, if everything is good, they can simply push the accept order button and hit OK. Back in Job Exact, you'll see once a supplier has accepted the order because it's got the blue accepted badge on it. I can also go in and view this order and click on the status, which is going to show me when it was sent to the supplier, when they viewed it, and what time they accepted it as well, so I can always have a history of what's going on with my jobs.